feeling good. Cool at the gang. Celebrating at a minute after 2.
64.
KFI
Los Angeles.
I'm Jackson Armstrong.
I'm the ready for you. Got you. Tuesday, 2 down, 3 to go. Put air on your speaker, main gorilla.
With Dave Mason.
Been away, haven't seen you in a while. How've you been? Have you changed your style? And do you think that we've grown up differently? Don't seem the same. Seems you've lost your feel for me. So let's leave it alone, 'cause we can't see eye to eye. There ain't no good guy, there ain't no bad guy. There's only you and me, and we just disagree. I'm going back to a place that's far away. How about you? Have you got a place to stay? Why should I care when I'm just trying to get along? We were friends, but now it's the end of our love song. So let's leave it alone, 'cause we can't see eye to eye. There ain't no good guy, there ain't no bad guy. There's only you and me, and we just disagree. 'So let's leave it alone, 'cause we can't see eye to eye. There ain't no good guy, there ain't no bad guy. There's only you and me, and we just disagree.
64 KFI. That's the second of at least 2 in a row.
Missed the third of such.
Dave Mason to George Harrison. All those years ago. Second most popular at K5.
Shouting all about love, well, they cheated you like a dog, and you were the one who had made it so clear all those years ago. Talking all about how to give, they don't act with much honesty, but you went the way to the truth when you say all you need is love. Baby, with good and bad, I always looked up to you. Now we're left cold inside by someone, the devil's best friend, someone who abandoned all. We're living in a bad dream. They've forgotten all about mankind, and you were the one they backed up to the wall all those years ago. You were the one who imagined it all those years ago.
summertime used to mean going to the ballpark, getting a hot dog, watching the game. Remember that? Huh? Well, it's ancient history, isn't it?
Well, they're going to talk tomorrow.
At least the talks will start again tomorrow. That's the third and 2 in a row with George Harrison at 7 minutes after 2 at KFI with Jack Armstrong.
And ready for you. Got a lot going on the roads.
The roads almost got Debbie Boone yesterday in Ohio, Lodi, Ohio. She was involved in a 3-vehicle accident on Interstate 71 that injured her husband and a family nurse. She's in good condition today. We're proud to say, but our roads are tangled in this area, in the Irvine area. Only the outside lane of the southbound Santa Ana Freeway, Route 5, between Jeffrey Road and Sand Canyon Avenue, open until 3 p.m. this afternoon because of pavement repair. Then, though, everything will get back to normal after 3. Southbound Sand Canyon on-ramp will also be closed there. The westbound Santa Monica at La Brea and Hauser right now. The number 5 lane is closed due to a sprinkler repair job going on. That'll be happening until 3 o'clock. Traffic backed up to at least Crenshaw and maybe worse. The CHP saying the transition from the southbound 210 to the eastbound San Bernardino has been closed due to an overturned semi and a shifted load. In addition, the transition from the northbound Highway 71 to the westbound San Bernardino Freeway is also closed, and this condition in effect until 5 o'clock this afternoon.
Forget about casseroles. Forget about meatloaf. Because right now, Ralph's has a sizzling low price on thick, juicy, boneless top sirloin steaks. Only $2.58 a pound. And these are no ordinary steaks. No, indeed. These are genuine USDA choice beef, the only kind that Ralph's sells. The USDA choice label has to be earned, and it means that every luscious, tender morsel will be juicy and delicious. To top off that mouth-watering barbecue, how about cool, sweet, seedless grapes? The first of the season at a real We're Doing Our Share price. Only 79 cents a pound. Save 80 cents a pound. And look for Ralph's white or wheat split top or sandwich bread for only 39 cents a loaf. Prices effective through Wednesday, June 24th. You're doing your share at Ralph's. We're doing ours.
Robinson's one-day only sale happens Wednesday. You'll save on Century petite and average length skirts, now just $14.99. Save on Josephine's classic crepe de chine blouse, now just $19.99. And save 25% on all boys and girls denim jeans, including Jordache, Britannia, Levi, Calvin Klein, Sasson, and more. Quantities are limited, so hurry to the one-day only sale tomorrow at Robinson's.
Here's the 9th most popular of the KFI hit parade in the main news section of today's Los Angeles Times. Page 6 of part 5. In fact, you can win $640 if you know how to pick hit music from KFI. Look for it.
Wonder
on my...
All right, come clean. Wash your hands. What's that on your hand?
Wearing his watch in his palm again.
We gotta learn him better than it's 14 after 2 at KFI. Those are sticks, of course. Oh, I love their Paradise Theater album. Let's run the weather by you. Unhealthful air for everybody, everywhere. In the valleys, the metropolitan area, the Riverside, San Bernardino area, the Banning areas. Same thing tomorrow. The good air only in the coastal area and the high desert, showing you where you should be. Weather forecast overnight, coastal low-hung mung once again. Then sunny tomorrow afternoon.
Somehow I think there's a pattern here.
Low tonight of about 70. High tomorrow of 88. Why, son of a gun, it got up to 88 today. Out at Manhattan Beach, it's 76. San Diego, 90 degrees. Downey has 93. Riverside, 95. San Bernardino, 96. They're serious there. It's 82 in Midtown, L.A.
Bugs all over the place. Oh, and I can't afford an exterminator.
You need Black Flag with exterminator-proven ingredients in every can. Crawling bugs, plant-eating bugs, flying bugs. Black Flag kills bugs fast. Have a bug problem? Get Black Flag. Ant and roach, house and garden, or flying insect spray.
Black Flag, you're my exterminator.
Get Black Flag with exterminator-proven ingredients in every can. Black Flag kills bugs fast.
I've got the quietest air conditioner in the world. Listen.
Air condition your body with Johnson's baby powder. There's no nicer way to stay cool and fresh and dry today. So air condition your body with Johnson's baby powder. Yes, air condition your body with Johnson's baby powder.
When I get up on a hot summer morning, the first thing I do is take a shower. And the second thing is I smooth on my air conditioner. Johnson's baby powder helps keep me cool and refreshed.
Want to stay cool this summer? Smooth on some refreshing Johnson's baby powder from Johnson & Johnson. You'll stay even cooler if you enter the Johnson's baby powder air condition your body sweepstakes and win one of over 80 trips on Eastern Airlines. Eastern offers the most service to vacation spots like Florida, Mexico, and the Caribbean. No purchase necessary, void where prohibited. Get your entry blanks and rules at participating stores and
air condition your body. Air condition.
60 minutes after 2 o'clock. Within the hour, I'll give you the Kim Carnes Mistaken Identity album.
Hang on.
Anne Murray, award-winning Anne Murray.
You needed me. It's back when I had the key to all the nanas.
KFI.
I cried a tear. You wiped it dry. I was confused. You cleared my mind. I sold my soul. You bought it back for me and held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me. You needed me. And I can't believe it's you. I can't
Morning with Santana at 64, KFI with Jack Armstrong. And the winning gorilla, that moved up to the 13th most popular, continues to creep up a couple at a time from the Z-Bop album, actually the 15th the week before, so a 2-point jump. You'll find that out in the calendar section of Los Angeles Times. That's this Sunday, of course. If you want to find out how to play the game, the KFI hit game, you look at the main news section of today's Los Angeles Times. It is in the Views section on page 6. That's the 5th part of the paper there.
Some say almonds can keep you young, make you more beautiful, even cure a headache. I wouldn't count on it. But if you buy almonds for taste, not magic, you can count on ours. Bountiful almonds from California. At Berenda Mesa Farms, we plant them and nurture them. We carefully select them, roast them, and pack them fresh, plump, crunchy, and without preservatives. For snacking, we've got 6-ounce snack cans in your favorite flavors, like hickory smoked and more. And for cooking, use our bountiful kitchen cartons. They're vacuum-packed in tough foil pouches to keep them fresh and delicious. We're so careful we don't let these bountiful almonds out of our sight from the time we plant them until they get to you. And that's rare these days. Bountiful almonds from Berenda Mesa Farms.
Well, you should see us now. We'd like to take a bow.
How far do you think $179 will get you these days? On Continental, it'll take you almost as far as we go. For no more than $179, you can fly anywhere Continental flies in the mainland U.S. That's $179 each way with a round-trip coach ticket. And to many cities, it's even less. And don't forget to bring the kids, because children ages 2 through 11 can fly for no more than $129 each way on a round-trip ticket, as long as they travel with an adult. Fares are good now through September 15th. Advance purchases required, seats are limited, and there are some other restrictions. Fly Continental and see how far you can go for no more than $179 each way.
Take your pick of 31 continental U.S. cities, including Denver, Houston, and El Paso. Call your travel agent for details today.
25 minutes after 2 o'clock, we had a good time with this man a couple of weeks back at Magic Mountain for March of Dimes Superwalk Appreciation Day. He was there with John Snyder. What a band.
What a show.
KC, Sunshine Band. I'm Jackson Armstrong.
I'm ready for your main goal, gorilla.
I'm your boogeyman. That's what I am. I'm here to do whatever I can. Be it early morning, late afternoon, or at midnight. It's never too soon to wanna please you, to wanna keep you, to wanna do it all for you. I wanna be your rubber ball. I wanna be the one you love most of all. Oh yeah. I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. Turn me on, I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. I do what you want. I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. Turn me on, I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. I do what you want. I'm your boogeyman. That's what I am. I'm here to do whatever I can. Be it early morning, late afternoon, or at midnight. Oh, it's never too soon. So I wanna take you, so I wanna hold you. I wanna make my all to you. And I want you to completely understand where I'm at and where I am. Oh yeah. I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. Turn me on, I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. I do what you want. I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. Turn me on, I'm the boogeyman, I'm the boogeyman. I do what you want. I'm your boogeyman. That's what I am. I'm here to do whatever I can. Be it early morning, late afternoon, or at midnight. Oh, it's down to soon. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. And we be together, you and me. I wanna see you, all get near you. I wanna love you up from sundown to love. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
bag of surprises there with him. He's your boogeyman.
Yeah, that bag is his laundry.
It's KFI with Jack Armstrong.
And the one with the ears on gorilla.
It outsells the most popular Toyota, the Corolla. It outsells the most popular Datsun, the B210. It outsells all the Hondas combined. What manner of automobile is this? It's called the Cutlass, the Oldsmobile Cutlass. Sales are way ahead of last year. In fact, Cutlass now outsells every model of every car on the American road. That's because it delivers the mileage without fudging on luxury, styling, or road-hugging comfort. Take the Cutlass V6. Though your mileage may differ, use these numbers for comparison. 20 EPA miles per gallon in the city, 29 on the highway. The 1981 Olds Cutlass. Easy on the rump, stingy at the pump. Drive Cutlass today at your Southern California Olds dealers. Nobody else comes close.
Bill Cosby here. Maybe you've seen me on TV talking about all the colas that have done taste tests and challenges and comparisons and stuff, comparing themselves to Coca-Cola. One cola tried it, then another cola tried it, then another cola tried it, and another one cola is still at it, still comparing themselves to Coca-Cola. Now, why do you think they do that? Maybe it's because what they're trying to be is what Coca-Cola is, the real thing. Yeah, because that's real refreshment, and that's real deliciousness. Yes, and Coca-Cola is the one that makes me smile. And it seems to me that we could use a lot more smiles in this world. Why don't you start one up right now? Open up an ice-cold Coke. Have a Coke and a smile. That's nice. I can hear you smiling. Yes, I can, sure.
Have a Coke and a
Sounds like this.
smile, a Coke and a smile. Real thing makes me feel good. It's the real thing.
Sheena Easton. 2:31.
Oh, a ton of fun on the West Coast.
Yeah. With the best radio.
64 KFI.
Marina, clickety-clack east in there.
Wearing her railroad tie.
That's when you go far below Amtrak, as Bruce Wayne says. Don't look at me, he's the one that said it. 26 before 3 at KFI. Michael Jackson likes it. Right off the wall.
K5.
When the world is on your shoulder, gotta straighten up your act and boogie down. If you can't hang with the feeling, then there ain't no room for you in this part of town. 'Cause with the party people night and day, living crazy, that's the only way. So tonight, gotta leave the 9 to 5 up on the shelf and just enjoy yourself. Groove, let the medicine, the music get to you. Life ain't so bad at all. Living off the wall. Life ain't so bad at all. Live your life off the wall. You can shout out all you want to, 'cause there ain't no sin in folks so getting loud. If you take the chance and do it, and there ain't no one who's gonna put you down. 'Cause with the party people night and day, living crazy, that's the only way. So tonight, gotta leave the 9 to 5 up on the shelf and just enjoy yourself. Come on and groove, let the medicine, the music get to you. Life ain't so bad at all. Living off the wall. Life ain't so bad at all. Live your life off the wall. Do what you want to do. There ain't no rules in the rules. It's time to get alive and party alright through the night. Or hide your inhibitions. Gotta let that fool loose deep inside your soul. Wanna see you in exhibition. Better do it now before you get too old. 'Cause with the party people night and day, living crazy, that's the only way. So tonight, gotta leave the 9 to 5 up on the shelf and just enjoy yourself. Come on and groove, yeah. Let the medicine, the music get to you. Life ain't so bad at all. Living off the wall. Living off the wall. Live your life off the wall. So tonight, gotta leave the 9 to 5 up on the shelf and just enjoy yourself. Come on and groove, yeah. Let the medicine, the music get to you. Life ain't so bad at all. Living on the wall. Gotta leave the 9 to 5 up on the shelf.
Great way to live life off the wall, says Michael Jackson of the Jacksons at KFI.
Off the floor is no good.
Off the ceiling.
What goes up?
Yes, right. 22 minutes before 3 o'clock at KFI with Armstrong and the Main Gorilla. We got you Tuesday style.
Edgar, like our new china? It was a real bargain.
My little penny pincher.
And the glasses, too.
You're a dream, Mildred. Oh, cottage cheese for lunch.
Yeah.
My favorite. Ooh, this isn't my favorite. This isn't Knudsen.
But there's no substitute for the creamy taste of Knudsen cottage cheese. It's the freshest tasting cottage cheese you can buy. That's why Knudsen's been California's favorite for over 60 years.
Mildred, if it's not Knudsen's, it's no deal.
No deal, huh? All right, well then get him some Knudsen cottage cheese at Ralph's, Gleason's Market Basket, Alpha Beta Pioneer,
And other fine stores.
Looking forward is a chance to watch the sunrise. Looking forward, we can help to shape tomorrow.
Every day, Security Pacific Bank is looking forward to serving people better in Riverside and Rolling Hills, Los Angeles and La Jolla. Wherever you live in California, Security Pacific Bank is there too. We give you full service banking in over 600 convenient locations from San Diego to Eureka. And every year we open even more offices to be even more convenient. Because it's Security Pacific Bank, We're looking forward to serving people better.
Security Pacific
Security Pacific Bank, member FDIC.
What we have here is Glenn Campbell and his Rhinestone Cowboy. At 3 o'clock, our highway cowboy Russ Carlton will update your world here at K5.
I've been walking these streets so long, singing the same old song. I know every crack in these dirty sidewalks of Broadway, where hustle's the name of the game, and nice guys get washed away like the snow and the rain. There's been a load of compromising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy, getting cards and letters from people I don't even know, and offers coming over the phone. Well, I really don't mind the rain, and a smile can hide all the pain, but you're down when you're riding the train that's taking the long way. And I dream of the things I'll do with a subway token and a dollar tucked inside my shoe. There'll be a load of compromising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo, rhinestone cowboy, getting cards and letters from people I don't even know, and offers coming over the phone. Like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo.
64 KFI, there's Glenn Campbell and a Rhinestone Cowboy at 18 minutes before 3 o'clock with the forecast meet overnight. Coastal low hung mung again tonight. Sunny weather again tomorrow afternoon. Looks like this is going to keep up through the weekend. Low tonight of about 70. High tomorrow again 88. That was today's high. Redondo Beach has 76. San Diego 90 degrees. Pico Rivera has 93. Riverside 95. San Bernardino 96. And it's 81 in Midtown LA.
You know what's almost as romantic as you?
I can't imagine.
Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Hawaii, that lush island paradise, that land of moonlight and romance.
You're pretty cute yourself.
Look at this. American Airlines has a new low fare from Los Angeles to Hawaii. Just $189, one way on weekdays.
So, what else is new?
Here's something else that's new, big and new. All American Airlines flights to Honolulu are big, comfortable 747s.
Big planes and big savings. I go for that.
Oh, darling, let's go to Hawaii and get away from it all.
All American Airlines flights to Honolulu are big, comfortable 747s, and the one-way fare Monday through Thursday is just $189. On weekends, $199. Seats are limited. For reservations, call your travel agent or American.
I can see you sunning on the beach already.
Not without you.
Take it from me, Lloyd Bridges. Wasted water is wasted energy. Energy the city of Los Angeles and Orange County use to process and deliver water. And energy you use at home to heat it. But the free water conservation kit you got by mail helps you save water, energy, and money. So, if you've got your free kit, use it. And let's make every drop count.
Presented by the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power, the Municipal Water District of Orange County, and California Department of Water Resources.
60 minutes before 3 o'clock as I give you Kim Carnes' Mistaken Identity album. Customized KFI chest enhancer. Pair of those KFI ears. 36 caller gets the goodies. Los Angeles, 5201 KFI.
Nana County, my favorite Orange County, 9530 KFI.